Got the new Yocan Ziva Pro Incognito cartridge battery. Only $19.99. Great device. So you can hide your vapes and make it secret. Here's an unboxing for you guys. It's a beautiful device. Looks very clean. Here's the instructions how it works. Put your cartridge right in there. Has a nice size. You could fit mostly any cartridge in there. Very great, very good for the price. Let me turn this thing on. I gotta take out that plastic. Power on 5 times, screen lock 4 times. Adjust the voltage, preheat. Great device. Only $19.99. Doesn't come with the charger. Has instructions here. It's cool holographic. Get one for yourself today. Don't get ripped off by those other smoke shops. Ziva Pro.